Okay, I'm going to do a couple demonstrations for you today. The first one I'm going to call water bottle or water jug. I have an empty jug, nothing in it, and I have a beaker full of water, not full of water, but it has about 80 milliliters of water, if you can see how much is in there, if I have it flat. Now, why is it green? Because I put some green food coloring in, just to make it a little easier to see. But, so there's 80 milliliters of water in an empty jug. And what I want to talk about is properties of liquids. So when we talk about properties of the different phases like solid, liquid, gas, we might talk about definite or indefinite. Definite means it doesn't change. Indefinite means it does. So with water, I can say a couple things. I can say that it has indefinite shape. The shape of this water is not always going to be the same. Right now, it's the shape of this beaker. But if I take this water and I pour it in this jug, what would the shape be? I can also say that water has definite volume. And volume is a measurement that we use for liquids, which means the amount of space something takes up. We can use it for other phases as well, absolutely, but we typically use it when we're measuring liquids because it's easy to see in something as like a beaker or a graduated cylinder. But so to prove my point, if I take this, and I know we won't be able to see the shape of it, but I'm going to pour the 80 milliliters of water into this jug, okay? So now the shape of that water would be the same as the jug. So it's changed. It's no longer the shape of the beaker. So the shape of the water is indefinite. But the volume, the amount of space that the water takes up, is still going to be the same. It's still going to be 80 milliliters. So when I pour it back, as you can see in the beaker, you're still going to have 80 milliliters. Oh. Hmm.